Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's Quantum Leap safety training module on falls from height safety while working on ladders. It's great to have you here and taking part in this important session. By raising awareness, we can better recognise the signs of unsafe acts, zones, while also learning how to prevent them and support one another. Every year, thousands of people are injured in ladder-related accidents, most of which could have been prevented. At our organisation, working safely at height is a core value. This training will show you how to use ladders the right way, following our approved risk assessments and method statements, and the work at height regulations. Before any ladder task begins, take a moment to think. Ask yourself, is a ladder the safest way to do this job? Ladders are a last resort, not the first option. If there's a safer method, like a podium, MRYP, or gutter vacuum, use it. And if in doubt, stop and speak to your supervisor before proceeding. If the use of ladders is unavoidable and will be used for a short period, please follow the instructions in the next slides. Before using any ladder, it is essential to carry out a pre-use inspection to confirm it is in a safe working condition. This inspection should be completed at the start of each working day or whenever the ladder is moved to a new location. What to check? Stiles. Ensure both stiles are straight and free from cracks, bends, or splits. Damaged stiles may cause the ladder to collapse under load. Rungs. Check that all rungs are intact, clean, and securely fixed to the stiles. Look for signs of looseness, corrosion, or wear that could reduce grip or stability. Feet. Inspect the feet for damage, wear, or missing parts. Make sure they are clean and can grip the ground firmly. Replace any worn or missing feet before use. Locking mechanisms. Operate all locking devices to ensure they move freely and lock securely. Pay special attention to extension or stepladder hinges and locking bars. If a fault is found, do not use the ladder. Tag it as defective to prevent use by others. Report the issue to your supervisor, line manager, or the designated safety officer. Remove the ladder from service until it has been properly repaired or replaced. A correct ladder setup is essential to prevent slips, falls, and collapse during use. Follow these steps carefully each time you position a ladder. Setting up safely. Choose a firm level surface. Always place the ladder on stable, level ground. Avoid soft, uneven, or slippery surfaces that could cause movement. If necessary, reposition to a safer location rather than risk instability. Use stability aids. Where the surface is uneven, use stabilizing mats, ladder spurs, or adjustable legs. These aids help to improve grip and balance. Ensure any attachments are correctly fitted before climbing. Secure the base. Anchor the ladder base to prevent slipping. If this is not possible, have a second person footing the ladder by placing their feet securely against the ladder's base and holding the stiles. Do not allow anyone to stand underneath the ladder while it is in use. Maintain the correct angle. Set the ladder at a 1:4 ratio for every 4 meters of height. Position the base 1 meter out from the wall. This ensures optimal stability and reduces the risk of the ladder tipping backwards or sliding. Top contact point. Ensure the top of the ladder rests firmly against a solid, stable surface. Never rest the ladder against fragile or unstable materials such as gutters, glass, plastic, or lightweight cladding. Use a ladder stay or standoff to avoid contact with weak structures. Reminder: a ladder that is incorrectly positioned is one of the leading causes of workplace falls. Always take the time to set it up properly before climbing. Once the ladder has been properly inspected and set up, it is essential to use it safely to prevent slips, overreaching, or loss of balance. Follow these rules every time you climb or work from a ladder. Climbing safely. Maintain 3 points of contact. Always keep 3 points of contact on the ladder, either 2 hands and 1 foot or 2 feet and 1 hand. This ensures continuous stability while ascending, descending, or working at height. Keep your body centered. Stay positioned between the ladder stiles. Avoid twisting or overreaching, as this can cause the ladder to become unstable. Limit side movement. Do not lean out more than 600 millimeters, about arm's length, to either side. If you cannot reach your work safely, descend and reposition the ladder. Use safe tool handling methods. Never climb or work while holding tools or materials in your hands. Use tool belts, bucket hooks, or a rope and line system to lift and lower items safely. Keep your hands free for climbing and maintaining balance. Restrict time on the ladder. Ladder work should be short duration only, ideally 30 minutes or less. For longer or repetitive tasks, consider a work platform or scaffold as a safer alternative. Reminder: safe ladder use depends on balance, control, and awareness. Always climb deliberately, maintain contact, and avoid distractions or sudden movements. Conditions can change fast. Always do a dynamic risk assessment before starting and assess during works if required. Check for strong winds over 23 miles per hour, rain, ice, or unstable ground. Nearby hazards like vehicles, cables, or pedestrians. Use cones and barriers to create a safe work zone. If unsafe, stop the work and report to management. The operative verify that the setup, conditions, and duration are safe. If something changes, stop work and reassess. All incidents or near misses must be reported immediately, no matter how minor. Each report helps us learn and prevent future injuries. Ladder safety depends on every individual taking responsibility for their own actions and the safety of others. Safe working practices protect not only you but also your colleagues and the wider workplace. Key principles: follow your training. Apply the knowledge and techniques learned during your ladder safety training at all times. Use the right equipment. Select the correct type of ladder or access equipment for the task. Never improvise or use damaged gear. Take time to check and plan. Pause before starting work. Inspect your equipment, assess the environment, and plan your approach. Rushing increases the risk of mistakes and injuries. Work safely every time. Safety is not optional. Maintain awareness, communicate with others, and follow site safety procedures. Final reminder: there is no task so urgent or deadline so important that it cannot be done safely. Your safety, and that of others, always comes first. Every workplace presents potential fall hazards, whether working from ladders, scaffolds, or elevated platforms. Identifying and assessing these risks before starting any task is the foundation of a strong fall prevention strategy. Proper planning, the use of safe systems of work, and consistent supervision are essential to maintaining a safe environment and preventing accidents. A proactive approach to safety ensures that every worker understands the risks involved and takes the necessary steps to eliminate or control them. By following training, using the right equipment, and remaining aware of surroundings, we can greatly reduce the likelihood of falls and injuries. Everyone has a role to play in maintaining safety at height. Through cooperation, communication, and vigilance, we ensure that every member of the team returns home safely at the end of the day. Thank you once again for attending, and have a great day.